Okay, we got this flat 4-inch light fixture today. We're going to replace a rusty one that we have outside. This unit comes IC rated for direct contact with the insulation. Insulation contact rated IC. Approved for direct contact with insulation. It says right there. That's great. It also has some more information on here about it is suitable for wet location and not for use where exposed directly to water. Okay, so it is a 10-watt light fixture, and it has three temperature settings for the light. It's supposed to do a 3000, 4000, 5000 K light temperature. So let's open this up and have a look at it. The brand is Recess Line. We got this off Amazon. I'll open up the package here, and it's got an ETL US and Canadian, the C for Canadian. So apparently it's good that way. It's got the ratings on there, and template for cutting out the hole for mounting it. I'm guessing this is installation directions. Yep, this is installation directions, and there we go. This also has the rating on it for temperature rating. Right here, it's got on a switch. It's got the 5000K, 4000K, and 3000K. I think we'll be running it at the 5000K, like that brighter looking light. So we'll have a look at it quick. It comes with quick splice connections already inside there, so you just strip your wire off and shove them in with them. That's good. No connector though. You'll need to have a cable connector when you hook your cable into this. And that's okay. We're replacing a light, so it already has a cable connector. And so we'll look at this. Looks like this will work for us. Okay, we've got a rusty pot light here. It's one of those little flat LEDs. We're going to replace it. This one has a metal or iron body, and we're going to replace it with an aluminum body that's rated for wet locations. This is outside, so let's get to it. we're gonna have to make the hole a little bit